Hi, my name is Hui.
My name's Matt.
I'm Max, and together we're Yamisi Play. We build playful interactive worlds that are inspired by nature and formed from sound, and invite you to play and contribute sounds and build the world.
We're very proud and excited to be showing our playable sound installation titled Yumi Things at Experimenta's Life Forms exhibition.
For this activity, we're gonna go for a walk, find inspiration in the environment, and create our own world of flora, fauna, and fungi friends through illustration techniques. For this nature walk activity, you're gonna need some color pencils or markers. I personally used color pencils for when we worked on Yumi Things because I love layering colors and shading my characters as I go. You're gonna also need a sketchbook. It could be a tiny one as well so that you could take on the walk with you, and some papers.
You'll also need a camera or a camera phone so that you can take photos of the environment as you go. And if it's got a microphone, that's great too, because then you can record some sound as you go or make some sound if you'd like.
And please make sure you download the activity PDF on your phone, and you can use that as a reference while you're on your walk.
I love tiny things on the ground. There are stuff as well that are hidden in corners and inside tree barks that I love looking for. Interesting leaf shapes as well. I know that Matt also has his favourite things that he looks for when he goes for bushwalks.
I'm always interested in, discovering different habitats and ecosystems, particularly around fungi and mushrooms, and I think what's interesting about discovering them is their particular places in which they kind of grow and thrive and decompose, and it's like going on a treasure hunt, finding them.
When we're looking at the mushrooms or the flora and the fauna, it's really fun to imagine, what is the physicality of this creature? How would this creature be in the world? Would it be a gruff creature? Would it be a welcoming creature, a comfortable creature? And how can that be expressed through sound? What sort of noises would this creature make? I think things like the texture of the creature and the shape of the creature can suggest whole new forms and ways of moving. And it's just really fun to imagine these things moving as you examine them in their habitat. So there's so many fantastic life forms waiting out there in the world, and we always love to meet new life forms. So we particularly can't wait to see yours. Please make sure that you submit them. We'd love to see them.